Hello traders, welcome to our channel. Today, we're doing a detailed review of fpmarkets, a broker that's been making waves in the trading world. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to decide if fpmarkets is the right broker for your trading journey. fpmarkets was established in 2005. They have a strong reputation for providing excellent trading conditions. fpmarkets is no stranger to recognition in the trading industry, with over 40 global industry awards to its name. They've been consistently recognized for their outstanding service, including multiple wins for Best Trade Execution, Most Satisfied Traders, and Best Education Material, as highlighted by the Investment Trends report. In 2019, they were named the Best Value Global Forex Broker, showcasing their ability to deliver competitive trading conditions. These awards reflect fpmarkets' commitment to providing traders with top-tier service, innovative tools, and exceptional value. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this level of recognition speaks volumes about their credibility and dedication to excellence. Regulations. With its headquarters in Australia, the broker is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission (ASIC), while in Europe, their operations are regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. They are also a regulated FSP by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority (FSCA) in South Africa. Being regulated by the Financial Services Authority (FSA) of Seychelles makes fpmarkets a truly global entity. Why is regulation so important? Trading with a regulated broker ensures that your funds are secure, as regulators enforce strict financial standards, including client fund segregation, transparency, and regular audits. Regulation also protects traders from fraud and ensures the broker operates with fairness and integrity. As a trader, always choose a regulated broker like fpmarkets to ensure a safe and trustworthy trading experience. Another key feature that sets fpmarkets apart is that they globally segregated client funds. This means that all client funds are held separately from the company's operational funds in top-tier banks around the world. Why is this important? It provides an extra layer of security and ensures that your money is protected, even in the unlikely event of the broker facing financial difficulties. For traders, this peace of mind is invaluable and demonstrates fpmarkets' commitment to maintaining transparency and safeguarding your investments. Account types. Before I take you through the details of the account types, along with their spreads, commission structures, and which one should you choose, I want to highlight something important. There's a link in the description below. Make sure to click on it to sign up with fpmarkets. This ensures you're registering on the official broker's platform and avoiding any scammy websites on the internet. Stay safe and trade smart. fpmarkets offer two main accounts. First, there's the standard account, which is great for beginners. It has no commission and spreads starting from 1 pip, making it simple and straightforward to use. Then there's the raw account, which is perfect for more experienced traders. This account offers spreads starting as low as 0.0 pips, with a small commission of $3 per lot per side. For traders who follow Sharia law, fpmarkets also provides Islamic accounts, also called swap-free accounts, which eliminate overnight interest charges, and if you're not ready to trade with real money yet, you can start with their free demo account to practice and build confidence. Best of all, the minimum deposit across all accounts is just $100, making fpmarkets accessible and affordable for everyone. If you are still watching at this point, it shows that this video is informative. I would really appreciate if you could give this video a like. It will only take 1 second of your time, but to me it will motivate me to make more videos like this one. Thank you for liking in advance. Instruments and trading platforms. fpmarkets provides access to a wide variety of trading instruments. These include over 70 forex pairs, indices, commodities like gold and oil, stocks, and even cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. This variety allows traders to diversify their portfolios and explore different markets. fpmarkets offers a diverse range of trading platforms to cater to all types of traders. They provide Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5, which are industry favorites for their advanced charting tools, automated trading capabilities with expert advisors, EAs, and robust analysis features. For those seeking an alternative, fpmarkets also supports CTrader, a platform known for its sleek design, intuitive interface, and superior order execution. If you prefer browser-based trading, the Webtrader platform offers the flexibility to trade directly from your web browser without downloading any software. And for traders who rely on detailed technical analysis, fpmarkets integrates with TradingView, one of the most powerful and popular charting platforms available today. Lastly, their mobile trading app ensures you can manage your trades on the go, whether you're using an iOS or Android device. With this variety of platforms, fpmarkets ensures every trader has the tools they need for success. Deposit and withdrawals. As mentioned before, that the minimum deposit on fpmarkets is $100 across all accounts. When it comes to deposit and withdrawal options, fpmarkets offers several convenient methods. You can fund your account using bank transfers, credit or debit cards, crypto payments, and popular e-wallets like Skrill and Neteller. They also support local payment methods depending on your region. fpmarkets does not charge any deposit or withdrawal fees, and withdrawals are processed quickly, and based on my experience you receive your funds the next day. By the way, I've created a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an account and make a deposit on fpmarkets, and you can find the link in the description below. If the link isn't there yet, don't worry, I'm still working on the video, so check back soon. Leverage. The maximum leverage at fpmarkets goes up to 1:500, which is especially appealing to traders who prefer higher trading power. However, it's crucial to remember that leverage amplifies both potential profits and risks, so proper risk management is essential. The broker also offers negative balance protection, ensuring that you won't lose more than your account balance. To summarize, fpmarkets has several strong points. It's regulated by top-tier authorities, offers competitive spreads, supports multiple platforms, and provides excellent customer support. However, it does lack cryptocurrency options compared to some competitors and doesn't offer bonuses. Overall, fpmarkets is a solid choice for traders seeking a reliable and secure broker with excellent trading conditions. If you're ready to get started, make sure you use the link in the description below to sign up. By doing so, you'll avoid scammy websites and ensure a smooth registration process. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments if you've traded with fpmarkets or if you have any questions about this broker. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!